कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Abu Tahir Mandal, ulang Menteri Kesorkan Zela, ubapai ikatnat sampording hakar pratri unai luar arja pulai. Ulayatho baka Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, terhadap Aiti ya Kaiphod, hakabai day baka jing bishar penyak, halor ka jing terwaban Maramot, ya ka Jingkieng hakapum Umïam. Haka jing ekran magila patai kubor Mandal ulaong baka Technical Committee kabakentop igi opisan na ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat nakatnat Public Works Department. Kitang puli benya yakni Kaiphod bala IT da ka IIT Guwahati shwa baka sarkar kan shim yakarai ka bakhaddo.
As far Umïam is there, they have completed the study there, and the report has been submitted to MEPGCL, vis-a-vis MECL. And there is a joint committee with PWD and also with our engineers from MECL or MEPGCL. They have also said about this report, and they have submitted very recently. So very soon we in the department also will study about it, then take the decision accordingly. But it is moving in a right direction. I'm telling that the moment we get, we'll take a decision. We will make a blueprint how to go ahead, and we will do it.